Guys, seriously, look at my face. Look how bad it is. Last time this happened, it's because I worked 7 days straight, or I worked like a million days out of like 14. And it's happening this time because the same reason. Same reason. You think I would have learned my lesson, but I didn't. So, what do I even want to talk about right now? I want to make this one kind of quick because I kind of am in a hurry, but um, this always happens to me. I have so many thoughts in my head, and then when I turn the camera on, I can't even think. My eyes have been so watery. My face looks like I have acne freckles. This isn't my skin. I know that I say this and I'm like, oh, it's not my skin, but like every time I'm on, it's my skin. It really isn't. It's literally stress. Like I show stress outwardly. Like it literally comes out of my face. So we literally just cover it up. So I have been working like a lot of days in a row. I have barely had the chance to see my husband. He's been working really hard, and I know a lot of people who like have like no empathy or no anything for other people. Are like, wait until you have kids, then you'll really be tired. And it's like I'm allowed to be tired without kids too, because I'm a small business owner and I'm a hairstylist and I'm on my feet all day. And I'm also the one who cleans the floors and I'm also the secretary who books the appointments. And I also have a YouTube channel and I do these videos and now I'm on TikTok. And I have two dogs and I have a house and I'm also a landlord and I am all the things. So I'm tired. I am tired and I'm allowed to be tired and my husband's tired. And we've been booked like crazy. So my husband just got promoted at work, which is amazing, and I'm so proud of him. But then he had a new hire that started the week that we got sick. So he was like had to go in because like otherwise this person would like not have anything to do because he had to like teach him everything. Um, and then when I had canceled all my clients, they all came in on this time, like this week. And plus, I had a lot of people who were last minute, like, "Hey, can you get me in?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, I'll get you in," because most times business clicks in my brain, and like my actual personal well being does not. And I'm like, "Yeah, I gotta get everybody in, gotta accommodate everybody." So, obviously, for February, January, I'm completely booked. So that is one thing. But for February, I have like a few bookings. I'm not like totally booked up yet. Generally, it doesn't happen until like into the month. But but I do want to change my schedule around like in like coming soon. So I want to know. This isn't just like a bitch fest video. I actually want to know what days would work best for you guys. So if I was making a completely new schedule, what dates and times would work best for you guys to come in? I feel like I've asked this before, and I think by the time I went to go check the results, the story was gone because sometimes that happens. So yeah, I'd like to know, do you guys like, are you during the week people, specifically what days? This is definitely for my clients or anybody who might maybe one day want to become my client. Please let me know so I can make a schedule that accommodates your schedule, like your lives. Because it's hard for me to be like, I'm only going to work Wednesday through Saturday. And then when people are like, oh, can I come in on Monday? I'm like, okay. Like, I'm not doing anybody a favor because I am totally burnt out. I'm totally burnt out. And one of my clients actually just did a video. She's a therapist. I talk about her all the time. I fucking love her. Excuse my language. Oh my God, I just caught myself. But anyway, I love her. But she just did a video on her Instagram saying like, hey, the reason why we charge high prices is because I keep like a low, how did she say it? Like low profile, low case profile, like low workload so that I can give you 100% of me during your appointment. Like we're not factories, you know what I mean? And like she's a small business owner like I am. And actually when she comes in, like I get some of my best ideas from her. Like she's always like giving me ideas and being like, oh, hey, look into this or do this or so she's like an incredible businesswoman. And whoa, got a frog in my throat. And so anyway, so she had just put up a video saying like, hey, we don't want to burn ourselves out. And also like listing all the reasons why her prices are high, which like she's talented as fuck. Like that's why her prices are high. So, but like that wasn't one of her reasons, obviously. That's like, as an outsider, I'm telling you my reason why her prices are high. But like she said, like, you know, we got to keep the business running. It's not just about it's not just about like your appointment or your time here. Like we got to keep the business running, and that is why prices are the way they are. And also we keep it very like exclusive. And I feel like that's how my business is. Don't get me wrong, like I totally take new clients, and I have like refer a friend programs, and I love all my new clients because I feel like what you put out in the world you get back. But I'm burnt out, and I need a little bit of time. So I want to know what kind of schedule will work best for you guys so that I can make my schedule accordingly, because you guys are the business. You know what I mean? Like I might be the talent, but you guys are the business. So that's the story. So also do want to just remind everybody that I am on TikTok. I have like 4 followers right now and like 5 videos up. So yeah, I am currently doing follow for follow. So except for one person, I went to go follow back and they declined it, which I thought was like, ooh, okay. Which I get, like, whatever. It's your world. I'm just living in it. So anyway, just wanted to come on and say all that. I think that's pretty much it. So I just really want to find out what your guys' schedule is like, and when you guys want to come in and get your hair and makeup done, and whether that be during the day or at night or whatever it is, and then work around that, because it's been really hard for me. I haven't even like had a minute in my life to pick up towels off the floor in my house, and like we've just been go, and it's been a lot. So I'll come back on a little bit for final lixies. Okay, I lied, I'm back. So this brush literally like flakes off on my face. So like sometimes I go to work and I have like little black dots all over my face. It's from this. And sometimes you could like see it in my videos. It's like, where did you get that mark on your face from? And it's like, oh, it's not a mark. It's just the brush flaking off on my face. I had something I was going to say. What was it? It was about everything we're talking about. I just can't remember what it was. Why does this always happen? It always happens to me, because my brain gets ahead of my mouth. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm having one of those death becomes her moments where like my concealer under my eyes is like, not kidding. It's literally like that. So that's my husband's medicine cabinet, and I brought home this guy. That's color in my nails. Like it's been crazy. Like I don't even put gloves on because like I'm always in like a hurry now. It's out of control. But anyway, not that I'm like rushing your appointments. I'm just like rushing myself mentally. So anyway, so this stuff is just amazing. It's almost like a dry shampoo, but it's like a texture thing. So it like absorbs all the oils in your hair, but then it also like you could style your hair. And like this is my favorite. So around my hairline, I always get makeup, and then I just rub this in, and it's like a little grainy almost. So it like gives it that roughage. Right now I look like Christopher Lloyd, but let's fix this. So anyway, final thoughts. I had some more stuff today. Oh, I was gonna say, like, this is just me like jumping back on the bitch fest, but like I don't remember the last time like I put jewelry on, like cute jewelry, like can't remember, because I've always just been like in a hurry, gotta get to work, gotta do this, gotta do that, and like shit's just crazy. So anyway, I feel like there was more I wanted to say. I don't remember. Oh, I know what I wanted to say. I wanted to talk about this. So, I follow like a lot of stuff having to do with like mental health. It's a big thing for me. Like I want to talk about it. I think it's very important. I feel like we don't talk about it enough. So mental health is like, and I hate when people are like, everybody feels that way, or everybody does this, or everybody has EDD, and it's like, that's so inconsiderate to say to somebody who might actually be struggling with something, for you to just dismiss it. And I feel like we live in a society where we just what's the word I'm looking for? We don't acknowledge people's feelings ever. We just dismiss everything, and we make it seem like, oh, well, it could be worse, or like, you don't have it bad, or everybody has ADD, and it's like, God, you're so not accepting of people and like what's going on in their lives and how they feel. Like, how could you be so not empathetic? Like, what's the opposite of empathetic? Asshole? Like, how could you be like that? So mental health is like a huge thing for me. So anyway, so I follow a lot of groups that do quotes about mental health, and like almost every day I feel like it hits me at home. I'm like, wow, I feel this quote. I gotta put on my glasses to cover up this shit because it's like out of control. But anyway, So one of the things was saying, like, you don't have to get back to everybody. If somebody texts you, like, you don't have to text them back and say, busy right now, and we'll text you later. It's okay to take some time for yourself and, like, give people space and don't expect them to do it back for you. And so naturally I went through the comments and I was reading everything that everybody was saying. And some people were like, agree. And then some people were like, I don't agree. If I take the time to think about you, you should have respect and get back to me. And it's like, if you feel that way, like, I'm telling you, this relationship with us is not going to work. It has nothing to do with respect. It's actually, I'm trying to be respectful of you and get back to you when I can give you my undivided attention. I am literally never on my phone at work. Like, I don't, if you see posts come up, it's because either I'm on my lunch break or I have it scheduled and it's just already in a different app and it's just ready to come out. But I'm literally never on my phone. And the times that I do have my phone in my hand, I am either collecting a credit card payment or I'm writing your formulas down. And I always say to my clients, like, I'm not texting right now, I'm writing your formula down, because my whole life is in my phone. So yes, my phone is always in my hands, but that doesn't mean it's always in my hands so that I can talk to people or get back to people. And since a lot of my booking is through email, and through text, like, I don't get back to you guys until I am ready to book the appointment or I am ready to talk to you about your hair. I don't like half-ass things. I'm not like, talking to you, my client's here, I'm doing this. That's insane. Like, what? So my whole point is, if you feel like if I text you, you gotta text me back. Like, that's another reason why I don't do phone calls. Like, if I'm on the bowl right now and you call me, I have to answer. I have to answer. That's it. It doesn't matter if I'm in the shower, I have to reach out, grab my phone and answer, because you're so important in your life that I have to value you on that same level. That's crazy to me. And even to say to somebody, like, if I take the time to think about you, you should have respect for me. And it's like, that's not the way it works. That's not the way friendships work. That's not the way relationships work. It's not, if I, the all important, think about you today, you better find time to get back to me right away. Like, I'd rather you not think about me. If you're that kind of person, don't think about me. Don't text me. Don't get in touch with me. That is rude AF. So anyway, I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys agree or disagree with that original quote? That you don't have to get in touch with somebody right away to tell them, I'm busy right now, I'll get back to you in a second. Oh, one more thing. I love you guys so much and I'm so thankful that I'm busy. And this whole thing about me being burnt out, because I'm totally fucking burnt out and I'm still trying to do my best possible work, but I'm fucking burnt out. Has nothing to do with you guys and has everything to do with me. I'm the one who does my scheduling. So it's just something that I have to work on for myself. And that's why I want to know what days work best for you guys. But I am so thankful to be busy. I am so thankful that you guys want to sit in my chair and have me do your hair. So I hope that this doesn't come across as like I don't want to work anymore. Like, no, I love what I do. Love you guys so much. And I just have to work on that for myself. So I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye. Hey guys, sorry, I know I look totally crazy. I just came out of the shower and my hair is still wet. But the clip that I just posted was filmed the day before I'm filming this. So it wasn't, none of this is like in real time. I post things like later on in life. But I just came out of the shower and I was like, holy crap, look at my face. It's like 10 billion times better. I don't have any makeup on, as you guys can see my freckles and everything in my bags. So I just want to like make a point and say, like, I was off today and I'm off tomorrow. You're going to tell me that that wasn't stress? You're going to tell me that? That was 100% stress coming out of my face, because it is literally like virtually gone. It's a little bit more on this side, but it's like gone on this side. And literally woke up today, had to do some stuff with my husband. We came home, showered, and I was like, this is crazy. It's because I'm not stressed, because I had some time for myself. Not that work stresses me out. Work does not stress me out. I love work. I love everything about work. It's like some of my happiest times are at work. I love what I do. But getting up, showering, going to work at a certain time, being there for like 13 hours, it's just a lot. It's like very taxing on me. It's very like stressful on my body. And so I feel like that's why I get those things, because that always happens after like 13-hour days or like 14-hour days, or like when I work like 7 days straight, or, 14 out of 15 days, like it gets like crazy. And it's not like I don't shower. I shower every day that I go to work. I have never went to work and not showered or washed my face or, cleaned myself. So it's not that. It's 100% stress. So I wanted to come on and say that. So, all right. Love you guys. Bye.